Well-crafted URLs are a significant yet frequently neglected component of an effective and successful SEO strategy. A smaller URL is bound to grab your audience's attention than a bumping series of letters and numbers. It can likewise help build trust among your audience and produce higher click rates to your site. Since the time Google URL Shortener shut down in March 2019, the internet has been looking for the ideal choice. There's no single right answer, as the exemplary service for you eventually relies upon your requirements and assumptions. There are best link shorteners for use in a rush, best link shorteners with tracking tools for brands, comprehensive dashboards, and even URL shorteners you can host on your site. Marketing and promoting your products, brand, and offers to your clients is essential to your business, as is the way toward overseeing how this data conveyed utilizing the web. URLs are frequently your client's initial interaction with your organization, and a powerful and effective link management process is exceptionally critical for any online business. What is a URL shortener? Best URL shorteners for any business are a part of link management that ought to consider each company that is keen on emphasizing its brand image and serving its clients. There are plenty of approaches to abbreviate, shorten, and brand URLs these nowadays. URL shortening is an excellent method to reach your clients and keep them upbeat by guiding them to update important content they are searching for. Maximize your voice through online social media to state more, in fewer characters. Build trust to forestall looking spammy or untrustworthy. URL redirection is the thing that occurs after you make exceptionally shortened links that take your clients to your current content on existing domains. This service's proficiency and viability are critical to overseeing how well you can serve your customers online. Alongside increasing trust and commitment with your clients, best URL shorteners for any business are likewise being utilized to build brand mindfulness and measure how your brand image is accessible. Best link shorteners and redirection are beneficial to any showcasing and marketing campaign, and they work along these lines, relying upon the service. When you create custom URLs, you can ceaselessly utilize these by redirecting them to refreshed and updated content. You would then be able to add UTM tags to your links to follow and track your campaigns and see results in Google Analytics without paying a link management service to furnish you with similar outcomes. Best URL shorteners for any business one should aware of. 1. Cuddly. Cuddly offers an assortment of highlights, including branded link creation, link shortening, and progressed analytics. The best part is that it's free to utilize. Cuddly permits clients to follow each shortened link continuously and measure its performance. It additionally offers a UTM code generator for registered clients. 2. Tinyurl. Tinyurl.com is a free website that offers both customization and URL shortening. We like this tool, other than it being free, obviously, that it's effectively integrated into your browser's toolbar. Clicking on the toolbar button will at that point create a tiny URL for the current page you're on. Nonetheless, Tinyurl doesn't have link tracking abilities. Various URL link shorteners offer paid and enterprise plans. Paying for a URL shortener can give you admittance to services like accessible on-call customer assistance, traffic routing, link management, and collaborative workspaces. If that seems like approximately your business could profit from, try opting for one of these paid URL link shorteners. 3. ShortUrl. ShortUrl is a no-frills site that takes into consideration the shortening, sharing, and following links. There's no customization tool on this platform, yet for those looking for a clear and free URL shortener, this is a great spot to begin. 4. Rebrandly. Rebrandly is a link management platform to brand image, track, offer and share short URLs utilizing a custom domain name. Rebrandly provides free support, yet it covers its tracked clicks at 5,000 Indian rupees per month. Plans range somewhere between $29 and $499 per month, or you can contact Rebrandly for a custom estimate. 5. Bitly. A business that uses branded links reports a 34% increase in clicks to their site. With Bitly, you can make exclusively custom branded links that remain reliably recognizable across any channel. Bitly incorporates every social media and digital marketing and promoting tool and offers analytics tracking tools on a solitary interface. You can begin for free or at $39 per month with an essential plan. 6. Polar. Polar is an open-source interface link shortener. It permits you to have your URL shortener and brand your URLs while accessing analytics. 7. Ow.ly by Hootsuite. Social media supervisors celebrate. Ow.ly will help you shorten links, measure traffic, and exhibit social ROI directly inside the Hootsuite dashboard. Estimating ranges between $29 and $599 every month. 8. Zapier. Zapier permits you to quickly interface its URL shortener highlight with more than 1,500 applications, including Gmail, Dropbox, Slack, and Airtable. There's a free plan accessible that is reasonable and suitable for people. However, if you're in a team, you should seriously consider taking a gander at their other evaluating choices. Conclusion. First impressions are everything. Link management incorporates URL shortening and redirection and is fundamental and essential for all organizations with an online presence. URL shorteners and URL redirects can help assemble and build customer trust in fulfillment, give useful and valuable marketing analytics, and keep up and improve search engine optimization.